It's all our little hungry feathered friends here. Looking for a french fry. Hey dude, can you help me out? I'm kinda hungry here. Can you spare a french fry? Oh, how I crave that artery clogging, heart stopping, deep fried American classic. Hey, where you going? Well, let's see what we got. Aha, a french fry feeding frenzy. It's a battle of the biggest, the fittest. He seems to be the leader right there. Big boy. One more. There's the leader. Okay. Friendly's is about a mile from here. That's where I'd be hanging out if I were you guys.